Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Adsense account. Guys, if you don't know what Adsense account is, in order to monetize and put ads on your YouTube videos, you should have an Adsense account. So once you complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel, you can apply for monetization and create a Adsense account. Now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now on the left side you will find an option called monetization. So click on that option. Now here it will show you whether you have completed the monetization criteria, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. Now click on apply now. Now here you will have 3 steps which you should complete. The first step is review partner program terms. Okay guys, now click on start. Guys, if you want to read the partner program policies and if you want to know some information, then you can read, or you can just scroll down and tick this box and click on accept terms. So yeah guys, the first step is successfully done. Now the second step is to create the Adsense account. Click on start. Now it will ask you whether if you have an existing Adsense account or not. If you want, you can create a new account or link an existing Adsense account. Guys, I have 3 YouTube channels and I have separate Adsense account for all the YouTube channels. And guys, one more important thing, you can only have one Adsense account in your name. If you have more than one account in your name, then Google will terminate all the Adsense account. I have created Adsense account, one in my name, one in my mother's name and one in my dad's name. Now I'll select this option, no, I don't have an existing account. Now click on continue. Now select the Gmail account which you have used to create the YouTube channel. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. Yes, click on yes. Now select the country where you live. I'm Indian, so I'll select India. Guys, if you want, you can review the terms and conditions, or just scroll down and click on yes, I accept terms and click on create account. Now you will be redirected to a page like this. So now click on get started. Guys, the account type should be individual. Guys, now just fill out your name and address. And guys, I'm gonna change the name of my Adsense account. Now just fill out your address correctly so that in future you will get your Adsense pin easily and much faster. So once you have done filling out everything, click on submit. Now you will be automatically redirected in few seconds. If not, then click on redirect. So yeah guys, my page got redirected. So yeah guys, you have successfully created the Adsense account. Guys, this might take around anywhere from few hours to 1 day time. So please be patient. So once your Adsense account gets created, in the third step, YouTube will automatically review your channel. Guys, YouTube just took like 2 days to review and approve my channel. It usually takes anywhere from 1 week to 15 days time. But in my case, it was approved in just 2 days. Guys, if you don't do any mistakes on your YouTube channel and if your channel is crystal clear, then immediately YouTube will approve your monetization. If not, then YouTube will just keep your channel on hold. Guys, watch that video. You'll get some idea on how to monetize faster. So I'll link that video in the end screen. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos, TikTok and Instagram related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, TikToker and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.